Hello everyone, this is Atik and welcome to another video on financial accounting. In this video, we are going to work on trial balance. Well, trial balance is an account report that shows the balance of all the general ledger accounts at a point in time. There are two types of trial balance. One is unadjusted trial balance and the other one is adjusted trial balance. Well, adjusted trial balance are prepared after we record our adjusting entries. In this video, we are going to work on unadjusted trial balance because we haven't worked on the adjusting entries yet. It is a very simple procedure, so let's get to it. A typical trial balance has three columns. The first column is where we put the name of the account that we are dealing with. Then we have the debit and credit column. Now we will move to the general ledger section to see the ending balance of each T account. The first T account we have is the cash account, the ending balance of which is 74,850. Well, it is a debit balance, so we are going to transfer this amount to the debit column of the trial balance. Then we have the repair supplies T account where the ending balance is a debit balance of $850. We are going to transfer this to the trial balance and put it under the debit column. Then we have prepaid insurance, the ending balance of which is $9,600. Again, it is a debit balance, so we are going to transfer it to the debit column of our trial balance. Then we have repair equipment, the ending balance of which is $10,800. We are going to transfer $10,800 under debit column of our trial balance. Then we have accounts payable, the ending balance of which was a credit balance. We are going to transfer 5250, that was our ending balance of accounts payable, to our credit column under trial balance. The next T account is common stock. It has a credit balance of $80,000. We are going to transfer it to the credit column of our trial balance. The next T account is cash dividend. It has a debit balance of $1,100. We are going to transfer that $1,100 to the debit column of our trial balance. The next T account is pool service revenue. It has an ending balance of 18,650 credit. We are going to transfer that amount to the credit side of our trial balance. Next, we have store rent expense. It has a debit balance of 5,600. We are going to transfer 5,600 under the debit column of our trial balance. Then we have telephone expense. It's again a debit balance. We are going to transfer 600 to our debit column of the trial balance. And lastly, we have electric expense. It has a debit balance of $500. We are going to transfer $500 to the debit side of our trial balance. So that's all the entries in our trial balance. Now we are going to add the debit side and credit side and see the total of our trial balance. Now the debit side total comes to $103,900 and the credit side also comes to $103,900. So our debit side is equal to our credit side. So we can safely assume that our trial balance is correct. So this is how we are going to construct a trial balance by transferring the ending balance in our general ledger to our trial balance. So that's all we have for this video. Hope you would find this video helpful. Do like and subscribe for more accounting videos every week. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.